Hey everybody, today I have my Chicago Electric Harbor Freight grinder that I've had forever. Well, the problem with it is let me sit down. It's working right now, but the cord is messed up. Let me see if I can get it to act up here. Okay. So if I wiggle the cord, it works. Come on, slow down, stop. So if you wiggle the cord, it stops, because I usually take the cord and wrap it around there for storage because it's got such a long cord. So we're going to go ahead and unplug it now. And if I can't fix it, I can't fix it, but I'm going to try to fix it. So we're going to put it up in the vise here. And there's two Phillips screws in the back. We are going to take the two Phillips screws out of the back. Let me get this in here. I know you're seeing my arm, sorry. There. We are going to try to take those two Phillips screws out to see if we can fix this cord. Because it still works very well. Hopefully, the brushes are up here, so that shouldn't be a problem. I don't know exactly what's back in this end. I've never taken one of these apart. Hey, look at that. I got my little tray there. But hopefully, we'll be able just to shorten the cord. We'll be able to shorten the cord. All right, here we go. It's coming off. It's coming off. All right. So let's see. Let me get an air blower and take a peek at this, and we'll come back and I'll see if we can fix this stupid thing. Okay, so I blew it out with my air blower and I have flipped it upside down, and you can see there's a red and a blue. There's a Phillips screw here and two Phillips screws that hold the cord. And this piece I'm going to be able to slide down. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut the cord about here, but I know it's broken up in here. So I'll cut the cord here. But let me take this apart real quick and see if see what it looks like in here. So there's another screw. And another screw. It's not going to come off. Okay, so then after you take those two screws out, this plastic piece slides out. It's probably broken right here. So now I'll go ahead and take this other screw out. Hopefully there's some connectors underneath it, because I see we have a black and a white wire, and then they change color. So hopefully underneath here they are a different color. There's some type of connector. Let's see. So what does that do? What does that do? Oh, is it just a push? Is it push in? Oh, these might just push in to this bar, this bus bar. So maybe I can just remove them and shorten the cord. Let me come back. Okay, I'm going to put a mark here so I know that this was the white side and that this is the black side, so I know which side is which. All right, let me try to, I need both hands. Let me try to get in here and get this apart, and I'll come back. Okay, by looking into this, I thought these were just push connectors, but actually, if you look right in here, there's a screw. This piece pops out, so it looks like there's a lock right here that retains it. So I need to push. Oh, my screwdriver. Where's my little screw? Oh, I got a pick tool. So can you? Yeah, I'm gonna take and push this over. I don't know how it actually connects. Oh, is that? Oh, that's actually the switch. That is actually where the switch is. Okay, so we need to get this off without breaking this. It looks like it should just slide over. Come on, come on, come on, don't break. All right. So now this will push out. Let's not use use that and jab my finger. So let's push the whole switch out. It was moving earlier. Let's see. Come on, why won't you come out of there? Why won't you come out? I just need you to come out enough so I can get to those screws. It looks like there is another screw right there that probably holds the switch in. So now we're going to take this screw out. Like I said, I've never taken this apart before. I have no idea. Let's see, now is the switch going to pop up? Yep, there we go. All right, let me turn this back around. Okay, so now the switch has popped up, and now I can get in here and unscrew the two screws, which are flat blade. So I need my pocket screwdriver, which fell on the floor. I got it. So can you still see? Yep. So there is a screw here and a screw here, and there is the cord. So now I'll just cut the cord back. This thing has got an incredibly long cord on it, and then as you can see, it only has like 1.25 inches sticking out. So I'll get a razor blade and we'll cut this. Yay, I'll be able to fix my grinder. Can you even see what I'm doing? All right, well, let me get this stripped and I'll put it all back together. We'll come back and see if I was able to fix it. Okay, so before I take and put it all back together, if you can see right here on the old wires, they had metal clips they bent on there. Well, I don't have any metal clips put on the wires to keep them together. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the original wires here and I'm going to get my soldering gun out and I'm going to tin them so they basically become solid. There's one. These are actually 14 gauge wires, which I'm surprised. All right, so there's two. So now I have tinned the wires with solder. So now I'll just go ahead and reassemble. Let me reassemble and I'll come back and I'll show you if I fixed it. Alrighty, I got it all back together. It goes together just like it comes apart. The cord, I have it plugged in. I have not tried it yet, so let's give it a try. There we go. No more problems. It was because there's a broken wire somewhere in here. So this is a very easy fix. If you have one that you can wiggle the wire around and you know that it's broken, just cut it shorter and take it apart. It's really simple. It's a bunch of Phillips screws. Anybody should be able to do it. And now this is trash. I did tin the wires with some solder just to make them sure they grab good. But now, because this grinder is an older one, as you can see, it's got a lot of power. Very nice grinder. I'll clean it up and give it a little bit of bath, make it look all happy, and I'll blow it out again. So there you go, everybody. If you have a 4.5-inch angle grinder from Harbor Freight, this is the old Chicago one. It's very easy to put the wires back into the switch and make your great grinder work again. All right, everybody. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner. Please, and please give me some thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. Your subscriptions really help out the channel. Come back. There's tons of stuff. Be sure you come back and check the Rustang videos because we're doing a lot of work on the Rustang. There's a playlist of 20 plus videos now. So Joe, check those out. All right, everybody. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.